Firearm engineering has come a long way since the invention of the matchlock in the 15th century. From wooden stocks and simple ignitions to today's advanced materials and precision mechanics, innovation has driven this evolution. Did you know that modern firearms can be made from lightweight polymers and alloys, significantly improving performance? The flintlock pistol was revolutionary for its time, but now we see handguns that are lighter and more reliable. Recent advancements like 3D printing are changing the game, allowing for rapid prototyping and customization of firearm components.